name's Erin Dehlinger, and I teach Algebra 2 at Lake Mary High School. This is my 9th year teaching here, and I went to school here when I was in high school.
Miss Dehlinger is a great teacher. She lets us do the work on our own, but she's also there when we need it.
My philosophy is that kids come first, their needs come first. So whatever I have to do to make that happen, we spend extra time with them, do one-on-one, get them a mentor, and I make my class interactive, so more kids are likely to succeed. Kids struggle when they're just sitting and listening and not doing. And so in my class, you get to experience math in a different way, and that's how I help my kids do the best.
Miss Dehlinger's class is great because she always comes in with a positive attitude, and that always brightens my day and makes me want to learn math.
Miss Dehlinger is a kind teacher who really takes the time to work with her students.
Miss Dehlinger has a great attitude and she really brightens my day.
A classroom should be built on relationships between students and the teachers so they feel comfortable getting help when they need it. This year we have a big challenge with the new Common Core. We have new mathematical practices that require them to make sense of problems and persevere when solving them. They have to construct viable arguments and critique the reasoning of others. And in order to do this, they need to feel comfortable to struggle and work together and ask for help, but also rely on one another.
Piecewise functions. This up here is a graphic organizer that I made to help you organize your thoughts. So we're going to start with the very first box, and you're going to fill in the piecewise that we're going to do. You want a bracket, okay? The bracket is going to sort of like hold our two pieces. The first piece is going to be 2x. And our second piece will be x plus 1. Each of these are going to be lines, okay? After each piece, we have our restriction. This is what's different about a piecewise as opposed to what you've seen before, okay? Basically, if you look maybe at this picture right here, notice I have this boundary. This is telling me, well, one piece is on this side, and then all of a sudden it stops and the new piece starts. So that number up there, 1, is telling you where on the x-axis you're going to have your boundary, okay? So the first part tells you, follow here, we want to know where our domain restriction is. And remember, domain means x. Meaning, where is our graph going to stop and start and become a new graph?